Oh my word guys, we have been using our seam rippers wrong this whole time. Hi guys, and every single Wednesday I upload a new video on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. So guys, how do you use this, your seam ripper? Are you using it a little bit like I used to, like this? So this is how I used to use the seam ripper. I would go in at this end here and I would like do something a bit like this and then do a bit more and then do a bit more, and it would just take absolutely, well, not forever, obviously we'd get to the end eventually, but this is not how to use your seam ripper. So guys, I'm not only going to show you how to use the seam ripper the most correct way, I actually think it's the most efficient way to use it. So first of all, we're going to use this end here like we would, and we're just going to start it off like so. Just get 1 or 2 stitches. Then you're going to use this ball end here. This ball helps you to glide down the fabric. That is the purpose of the ball. So we're going to get it into our seam here, and we are literally going to go all the way up, just like that. Can you believe how easy that is? So let me show you once again how to do that. So once again, I have my hem created and I've got a little bit open here, and I am just going to use this ball and I'm going to just wedge it into them stitches, and I'm literally just going to push along and literally just cut through all of them stitches with ease, like so. So there you go guys, that is exactly how you use your seam ripper. Come on guys, be honest with me in them comments down below. Who was using it exactly how I was doing it the first way around, and who is now going to change to the second way, the more efficient way of using a seam ripper. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me in my next video. Thank you. Bye.